up into the back of my head, toward the top of it, and get a lot of numbness, tingling, and stuff like that, shooting down both my arms, all the way into my hands and stuff.
All the time?
It comes and goes. It's, mainly if I'm trying to do something like this, your hair up more, and nighttime sleeping.
So if you're like working up, hands overhead, like looking, reaching.
I do a lot of that too. And even shaving my head this morning, I gotta take a break and stuff like that. What time I'm shaving my head, I gotta come down, take 2 or 3 breaks, switch arms and stuff, and yeah.
Really? It goes what? That numb? That?
Yeah, it goes doing stuff like this, your hair, anything up above my shoulders, it goes quick.
Like just general movements in the neck. What do you feel?
Going back like this, it's kind of like right through here, kind of down into my upper back. It's kind of dull pain.
Okay.
Down the sides, tight right through here.
Okay.
This side's tight over here too. And to the left ain't too bad. Coming to the right, I feel tightness kind of coming down through here and from like this side of my head down.
Okay. And then looking down?
Looking down, it hurts from kind of the top of my head down into my back.
Jeez. Basically every direction is some kind of.
Everything but to the left ain't as bad as the rest.
Alright. Yeah, we'll fix that. Go face down. Honestly not bad. Maybe like a millimeter short on the right, but you're actually pretty darn balanced there. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with this. So no pain with any of that pushing in there?
Yeah. Pretty good right there.
Let me have you sit up on the table. And then you have one leg on your side. You sounded like you needed that. No, not yet. For you. I want to do this. I didn't want to scare you with this one. Get on that side. Check the other. Honestly, not bad with the upper cervicals. The lower, though. Whew. Okay. Yeah, now I'm bringing arms up. Perfect. Just that tiny one on the left. Flip onto your back. Ever have this one done?
No, I've been wanting it though.
Yeah, this is one that your body actually really needs, is this one.
That felt great.
What did you
Right.
feel?
That was all right here in my neck, kind of down toward my lower back or upper back. That felt pretty good.
Good.
It did. That's good.
Okay, come on up. Yeah, you ever have anything like that done?
No, no,
Yeah.
that's good. I felt that one in my neck too and down in between my shoulder blades. That felt really good.
And that's right where you needed everything.
Yeah,
Neck and shoulder blades.
yeah. I felt great. Man, that was good. Felt pretty good. Felt a lot better than what I did.
Yeah, how's that? Just moving.
The movement feels a lot easier, a lot better, not as tight.
Because last time, what was that? Everything. If you
Yeah.
left was the only one I think you said.
Yeah,
that
left was the only one that didn't feel too bad. And they all feel pretty good now.
Good.
It feels good.
Bring your arms up. And
It feels pretty good.
I think it
You
is.
can definitely tell a huge difference.
Right? It's like that much noticeable, ain't it?
Yeah. Feels pretty good. I feel a little taller.
Heck
I do. It's nice.
yeah. Yeah, this is how you need to be feeling. Because
I ain't
what
felt this in a long time.
yeah, what you had going on, and like your hands and arms going
Yeah.
on, and tingling and whatnot, especially with your line of work, kind of need your arms and hands
Yeah.
with that.
Yeah.
And then you got these three little ones. And
Yeah, they keep us busy.
oh, I can imagine.
Yeah, I feel great, man.
Heck yeah,
I appreciate it, dude.
definitely.